Hi guys, welcome back. So we'll be starting a new topic, which happens to be, according to me, the most important topic of Excel. It's called macros, spelled as MACRO, macro. The definition of macro is nothing but it is a collection of keystrokes which tends to automate the processes which you might have to do every day as part of your regular work. Instead of doing it manually, the recorded macro will do your work for you. So we'll start here. What we have here is a mark sheet or a list of marks of 50 plus list of marks of 50 plus students in English, Hindi and Marathi, plus geography, history and social science as well. The total marks which they score, the percentage which they have scored, their average, as well as the maximum minimum marks which they score in all their subjects and the result. So our task would be first to change the orientation. So that's what we're going to do. So this is the print preview mode. We're going to close the print preview. We are going to change the orientation. First, go to page layout. You can see here this is the page setup group. Click on orientation. We change the orientation to landscape. First we go to the developer tab and we click on record macro. We will give it a name since I've already made the macro before, so I'll give it a new name. Page setting. It's already stored, and if you want the particular macro to be available in almost every worksheet which you might have to work in future, then you have to select the macro to be stored in personal macro workbook and then click on OK. So as you can see here, it's started recording. So first you go to page layout, you change the orientation to landscape. Then you go to the page setup dialog box. Everything is quite fine over here. It's already changed to landscape. Go to margins. Click on horizontally, center on page horizontally. Then go to the header footer option, custom header. In the center section, as you can see here, center section, you can give any title to say, for example, if you are building a report for let's say Tata Motors, for example. So you can type here Tata Motors. Click on OK and click on custom footer. Insert date in the left section. Give the date, today's date being 11/5/2016, 11th May, and on the right section you can insert page number. I would suggest you not make any changes in the page number, because the system automatically sets the page number. You click OK. Move to sheet. Now what you are going to do here is that you have a headings in the top of each row. You want those headings to appear in every sheet, every sheet in the set. So you select on the option rows to repeat at top. Click on the rows. Click on, say, row 1. Over here it's the headings are in row 1. In your project it might be in row 2, row 3, whatever. Select the row. I would suggest to select the row in which the headings are typed, which you get all the headings in one set. There it is. It's picked up all the headings. I hope you are closely observing my moves, what I'm doing next, one after the other. Okay, then OK. So that has set the entire positioning, and now we go to the insert tab, the home tab, where we want to apply borders to the entire table. So before that, we press Ctrl plus A, letter A. As you can see here, the entire table is selected. Then in the font group of the home tab, we select the border option. We click on the arrow and we select all borders, and there you have it. The table is done. Your macro is done. Once all your steps are done, then you can ask them, click on stop recording. To see whether this macro is done properly or not, I would suggest you open a new file. Click on open. Let's say macro 4. Now you want whatever you've done in the previous Excel file to work in this file, and that too automatically. So what you do, you click on the option macros over here, and you select the option page setting, and you run it. The system is running it for you. There you have it. It's done. Now if you want to see the print preview, you can check it out. Click on this office button, click on print preview, and there you have it. Your job's done. It's absolutely set, and you can make a really good impression in front of your boss. It's all worked perfectly. You've done your work well, and so has your macro. So please try this out, and you can check in the net to find more macro related exercises which can help you in your work, and I'm sure you're going to do well. Take care.